All right, so every once in a while, your Volt's going to have this thing come up. So anyway, I'm driving. I'm coming up to a train stop. So this will be, I won't be endangering anybody because I'll be stopped waiting for the train. And I'm going to show you how it works. So all you have to do, you can read all this, but basically, due to low use, the engine needs to run for approximately 10 minutes. So it's going to take me about 10 minutes to get where I'm going. So I'm just going to press that. Bam, and now it's going to do it. And there you go. Engine maintenance, and it's just doing it as we talk. You can see this just turned from my charge, which I have a fully charged battery, to the gasoline. I've got 11% done. That's what's going on there. It takes a while. You can hear my AC running. But while that's being done, I'm waiting for a train to go by. So, perfect timing. So we'll just let that happen. I may speed this up. 42%. Train's still going. We're at about 50%. See how bright it is here in Florida. 55. Getting there. Oh, the train's gone by. Just gotta wait for the green light now. Close, 81%. And I'm gonna start rolling. We got a green light. 86%. Just about there. And I made the green light. Nice. 99, and cha-ching, we've accomplished our engine maintenance, and that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff while you're driving. Peace out.